Okay, so let's do this problem. Now, I can't just say right away, oh, the answer is just e to the 3x, right? If I had this, if I had e to the x dx, what would the answer be for that? What's the integral of e to the x dx?
E to the x.
That would just be e to the x, which would be awesome. I'd be done, plus c, right? But that's not what I have here. I have a 3x in the top. So this is a classic example of where you have to use u substitution. So we're going to let u equal 3 to the x, and then we're going to rewrite this integral in terms of u. But in order to do that, we first have to take the derivative of u, because we're going to have to not only substitute, that's easy, I'm done, that's just u, right? So it's the integral of e to the u. But I can't write dx now, because then I'd have a u in here and an x, and that doesn't make sense. So I have to write du in there. But what is du? Well, what's the derivative of u? That's what I'm asking.
3.
The derivative of u is 3 dx, right?
Yeah.
Which means dx equals 1/3 of du. I just rewrote this equation solving it for dx. You follow what I did there? Now, why would I do that? Because I want to substitute these things back in. So now I'm rewriting, I'm substituting u in for 3x, and instead of writing dx, I'm going to write 1/3 du, right? I'll even show you slowly. 1/3 du. Most teachers don't show it like this. But now what can I do with the 1/3?
Put it in the front.
Move it out to the front. EU du. That's how usually teachers write it. They just jump right to that step. I'm just showing you all the thought process. And now what can I do with this? Do I know this?
Yeah.
Yeah, just like I knew this. What's that equal to? EU plus C, right?
Yeah.
But then, of course, I have the 1/3 out front. And am I done?
No.
Because why?
Let's put your 3x in.
Yeah, because I didn't want to solve for u. I wanted to solve for x. Or I wanted to simplify it with respect to x. So now I have to substitute this back in. So what does u equal? It equals 3 to the x. And you actually can write c or c sub 1, because it doesn't really matter. It's just some other constant, right? It's 1/3 of some other constant. Or you could put parentheses around it, but that would be your answer. Use substitution.